Hey guys, welcome back to Mero Pro channel. Hope you enjoy with this video. It is oddly satisfying to watch a $1,799 smartphone getting pushed, dropped, drowned, washed, or, in other words, tested for reliability. Samsung just unveiled the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5, and in a new video, the company demonstrated the thorough tests the phones underwent before hitting the market. Foldable smartphones face an issue concerning their display durability. It's not clear if foldable screens can withstand years of folding and unfolding, given the relatively new technology. The video addresses this by revealing that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 were tested and certified to endure 200,000 folds at a room temperature of 77 degrees Fahrenheit at about 25 degrees Celsius. The smartphones were also tested for water resistance and found to come with an IPX8 rating, meaning they are resistant to water but not entirely waterproof. The test showed they can withstand being submerged in up to 1.5 meters, approximately 5 feet of water for up to 30 minutes. It's important to note that this test was conducted in a controlled lab setting, so attempting it intentionally, especially in seawater or a pool, is not advisable. Additionally, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 were subjected to temperature and moisture tests, a drop test which is fun to watch, and a steel ball test to assess display resilience outside of the clamshell's protection. While the lab testing results for strength and durability seem promising, real-life usage and unforeseen situations may show different results. Therefore, it will be interesting to observe how the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 perform over time. Please share this video, and make sure to subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell. Otherwise, you may not receive notification when I upload. See you in the next video and thank you for watching. Hope you a nice day. Peace.